Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get lives in Candy Crush Saga. Lives are truly essential for continuing your gameplay, allowing you to attempt levels when you fail to complete them. Every time you do not finish a level, 1 life is deducted from your total count. When you run out, you must either wait for them to replenish or find other reliable ways to acquire more. Understanding this core mechanic is your very first step. The most straightforward method for acquiring lives is simply to wait. The game automatically replenishes 1 life every 30 minutes. You can collect up to a maximum of 5 automatically refilled lives at any given time. Additionally, you can easily request lives directly from your in-game friends who play Candy Crush Saga. Connecting your game to a social media account often makes this process much smoother and more reliable. Your Candy Crush friends can directly send you gifted lives, which is an excellent way to keep playing without interruption. These gifted lives often exceed your usual maximum of 5, allowing you to store extra lives for much longer play sessions. Additionally, spinning the daily booster wheel sometimes rewards you with free lives or helpful boosters. Always check for these daily opportunities to boost your available resources. For a more advanced strategy, you can temporarily adjust your device's time forward to instantly refill your lives. Remember to revert your device's time back to normal after receiving them. This method can sometimes be unstable across game updates, so always use it carefully. Consistently winning levels also ensures you do not lose a life, effectively making your current lives last much longer. Utilize these methods wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.